it's Miss Taylor with week 3 of garden lessons. This week we're going to be doing an activity called sound mapping. Sound mapping can be done inside or outside and just requires a present body and mind and some good listening ears and a space for you just to sit and be still and listen to your surroundings. You might also want to grab a piece of paper and something to write with to create your map. Paper and pencil or pen isn't necessary, but it can kind of enhance this experience that we're going to have today. So once you have found your spot, you're just gonna sit and be still and quiet, and you're just gonna listen to your surroundings for a couple of minutes to kind of orient yourself your space and just listen to our surroundings. Now while you're doing this, you might notice the hum of the AC units. You might hear a car passing by or the trees rustling in the wind, a squirrel collecting nuts and jumping from branch to branch. You might be outside in one of our gardens near a flower, and maybe you can hear the buzz of bees passing by or drinking nectar. Maybe you hear kids in the distance playing at recess or at home. Maybe you're at home and you have a parent on a Zoom meeting or a phone call. And while you hear these things, you can record them on the piece of paper, or you can draw the things you hear on the piece of paper. Maybe you want to put yourself on the piece of paper as well as kind of an object to kind of orient yourself. So maybe I hear a car on my right, and that is where I draw the car. Maybe I hear some birds chirping in front of me, and so I draw a bird in front of me. And so that can kind of help you orient your map, but you don't have to draw. You can write if that suits you. This is just a time for you to sit and be present with yourself and your surroundings, and a time to maybe refocus maybe your head and your mind, and a way to maybe work on your listening. I hope you guys all enjoyed this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week for another garden video. Again, I hope you guys are all happy, healthy, and safe, and are enjoying your time kind of re-entering school or still at home doing virtual learning.